Photosynthesis. Previously, we learned that animals meet their nutritional needs by eating other organisms. Plants meet their nutritional needs in a different way, using sunlight. The sun is the source of energy for the life around us. Without it, most life on the surface of the earth would end. Sunlight provides the energy for life on Earth's surface through photosynthesis. A similar process, without the need for light, supports life near deep ocean thermal vents. Sunlight makes the life around us and us possible. Photosynthesis is made up of photo, that refers to light, and synthesis, to making something. Light is used to make glucose from water and carbon dioxide. Scientists think that ancestors of cyanobacteria were the first cells that carried out photosynthesis using the sun's energy. Today, the ocean is filled with different types of these blue-green bacteria. They grow in string-shaped colonies. Photosynthesis is an anabolic pathway made up of a series of chemical reactions. We will not learn all of the reactions now, but we can learn the net equation, the reaction that summarizes the entire process. Carbon dioxide plus water becomes glucose and oxygen with sunlight. Using this net equation, describe in your own words what happens during photosynthesis. Photosynthesis captures energy from the non-living world and converts it to chemical energy that cells can use. Photosynthesis captures the free energy of sunlight and stores it in the glucose molecule. The free energy stored in the chemical bonds of glucose is then used to power life. Photosynthesis makes much of life possible. Photosynthesis is a non-spontaneous reaction. Non-spontaneous reactions need an outside source of energy to start. The outside source of energy for photosynthesis is the sun. Without this energy, water and carbon dioxide will not react to form glucose. Spontaneous reactions do not need an outside energy source to start. Iron rusting is a spontaneous reaction. The net chemical reaction is shown here. With your group, identify the following molecules: carbon dioxide, water, glucose, and oxygen. If we write the formula for glucose as below, do you see why it is called a carbohydrate? Do we still have the same number of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms? Discuss. Because it is made up of carbon and water, glucose is a type of carbohydrate. Written either way as C6H12O6 or C6H2O6, we have 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen, and 6 oxygen atoms. So 6 carbon plus 6 water makes C6H12O6. The word carbohydrate is a combination of carbon and hydro, meaning water. There are many different types of carbohydrates in living things. The glucose molecule contains more chemical energy than the water and carbon dioxide from which it was formed. When the reaction runs in the opposite direction, energy will be released. Sustenance by sunshine. Humans cannot live on sunshine alone, but we definitely cannot live without it. What is one reason the sun is essential to life on Earth? Click for activity link.